On this side? Okay. Ah! Oh. It's almost like paddleboarding where like I need to stop focusing on the ground and look up. Yeah. Yeah. Oh shit. Ah. This? Oh Lord. Oh. Okay. Oh, that breeze feels so good. Okay. 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 Keep going. Okay, I got it. I'm stable. I got my breath. Whew. Go to the middle? I don't know if I can stop. Oh God. Shit. Oh, I got scared. I got scared, honey. I was looking over there and not in front of me when I should be looking in front of me. Oops. I'm embarrassed. Okay, it's fine. I'm okay.
You're good.
I'm okay. I'm okay. I got scared because I didn't know how to stop in the middle. Oh, ow, my arm.
Hey, saved your essential.
I did.
Saved
Did you see me? Or you only saw me when I was on the ground?
Just walk out.
I'm embarrassed. My shoe came off. Oh my God. Okay. No, you can keep going. I'm special. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. My hand is numb. Oh, I could have made it. I was so excited. Then my damn shoe came off. Okay. Well. Now this is open. Oh. Baby. Ow. Oh. All right, so we're clear. Okay, I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. But how do I get all the way over? I got a bump. Okay. Ah, shit. Okay. Oh my gosh. That's what I did. Oh, okay. Okay. Now, if the whole freaking route was like this, I think I'd be fine. But it's not, so I just had to get my first little fall out the way. And hopefully I won't be doing that anytime soon. Hi. I have no idea where he went. Oh, he's back there. Okay. I'm just thinking about if I was in a car and I saw that, I would be laughing my ass off as well.
And you would honk, right?
Yeah.
Guess what happened?
No, somebody honked.
They honked, I turned, and you went down.
Stop making you laugh. Oh man. Ah, baby. Okay.
Kill it.
You're gonna kill me.
No.
Okay.
You thinking of doing extra is gonna kill.
It scares me. Dude.
It scares.
Hey, if I would have seen that myself, I would have laughed. But I was so.
You went like this and you went.
I didn't even hear any cars or anything, because I was like, oh, okay, here we go. Fuck. I was like, I hope he doesn't see me. The graceful person that I am. Fucking clumsy as fuck, dude. I'm so clumsy. I did. Hey, it could have been worse. I at least caught myself.
You got the falling down.
Thank you.
That's the.
Oh. What are you saying? Oh. Damn, we got a 7-year-old grandpa with bags on his bike passing me. That's fine. I'm recovering from a fall, okay?
Ooh, this is a nice little hideaway.
Right here. Oh, can we fish off of this pier? Let's go look. Or do you have to have a boat? Oh, well, the one down there, maybe, where the yacht club goes.
That one probably has
To just go off the pier? That would suck. Whew. My mom's gonna be like, why are you bruised? Is he hitting you? Are you not listening to the husband? What are you doing to deserve that? That's what she's gonna be like. I'll be like, no, Mom, I fell on a bicycle. She'll be like, oh, you're so clumsy. Well, I don't see anything where you can't fish. No overnight parking. I mean, this could be an option. And that one too, because I know that's where the Sunset Cruise leaves from. And I see people fishing over there, so maybe we can fish there. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, because remember, Gordon got stuck in the sand right here. And then the cop had to come and pull us out, or pull them out. Dang it! I freaking fell. I'm embarrassed. I'm so embarrassed. I was like, maybe I can stand up fast enough so where nobody else will see that I fell. But of course, it was like literally both sides of traffic was so full when I fell. Like, you know, like 40 people just saw that at once. So embarrassing. Whatever. Whoa. Okay.
structural movement. Something you can now lean upon.
Yes. Okay. We're gonna go to Margaritaville, park the bikes, and there is a bar that like spins around. It's like a sky bar. And we're gonna see if it's running and we're gonna take that. Huh? Yeah. I'm narrating our trip. And then maybe if I get a drink, I won't feel the throbbing in my arm anymore. Just kidding, it's not that bad. I think it's just my bruised ego mostly. It's so embarrassing, like literally 50 vehicles, I'm sure, just saw me fall. Took 7 seconds to fall. It's so graceful, yeah. Man, there was a split second too where I thought I was gonna catch myself. And then I was like, no, there's no way. Okay, I'm done talking about it. Drink away the pain. No, the fish mullet. Yeah, I first moved down to Mississippi and I saw these signs and postings and it was like, the mullet festival is coming up soon. And I was like, oh shit, like you get to judge mullets down here? Like how awesome is that? And then we went to it and it's the mullet fish. So it's a festival that celebrates the mullet and they do like a, oh, you know how they do like the egg toss? Well, they do a mullet toss. You guys move. Because if I fall on you, I can't help it. Oh wait, I better stop because don't they attack? Okay. Ah, don't run over the shit. Ah, okay. Turn. Okay. Ooh, the Ferris wheel. Yeah, I'm sure we could just, if there's not a bike rack, I'm sure we could just chain it to these bars. Yeah. Chain it to the duck. That'll be hilarious. In the back? Am I stopping here? Yeah. Oh, okay, you want to look? Let's look. Because... yeah. Yeah, there's the sky bar. It rotates and you go up. That was like one of our very first dates. It might have been our actual first official date that we went on. How cute is that? Yeah, is there like a valet parking? Yeah? Yeah, right here. Resort entrance. Ah. Bye, Margaritaville. I think we're gonna try and go to the Palace. Ah! There's a car. Oh no, okay. Phew. Ah, ah, ah. The Palace Pier. Oh boy. Oh my god. Thank you. Sorry, thank you. Hey, they probably saw me fall earlier. Point Cadet Marina. Charter boats, fuel, ice, bait, and tackle. We'll have to check that out. Maybe we can go fishing off that pier. And then the bait's right there, so that's nice. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Okay, so we're when it turns green, we're gonna go left. Oh, it's green. It's green. Okay, okay, I can do it. Ah, ow, ow, coochie. Okay. Okay, I got it now. Now we're cooking with oil. Saltgrass. We'll see you on Sunday for Mother's Day. We're taking Mom to lunch there. Whew. Oh, uphill. Oh. Whew. So we're gonna try and bike the Palace Pier because eventually we want to go fishing on it. Now that we're newly retired, we're trying to find all these activities to keep us busy. I mean, of course, we have the freeze-dried candy business, which is doing great. It's self-sufficient. So now we just, we've got a routine in that. So instead of being bored and being fat slobs every day, we're trying to find, activities that keep us out of the house and active. And me, I'm trying to be more fit. So this is definitely helping because my thighs are burning. Oh yeah, okay. No. Ooh, I smell fish, that's for sure. I smell the dock. Oh, he's looking at me like I need to shut my mouth. Fishing bridge. Oh, did he catch one? Oh, he got one right here. Nice. Awesome.